Hi there. The Buds 3 from Samsung have been out for a while now, and we haven't come around to making a video about how to reset them and how to couple the replacement bud. So this is what we'll show you today. For demonstration purposes, we have two sets of Buds 3 here. They are in different firmwares, which can happen. If you get a replacement bud, it might have a different firmware than your still existing bud. So in order to show you also that this can be overcome and how to proceed if they come with different firmwares, we'll do it this way. So one side here, one side here. I'll take out the right one from this set and replace it with the bud from this side. Put it back in the case. We leave it in for a second so that they can get used to each other. And what you have to do first, you open the case. You see the red light being on. You push the button on the bottom of the case and you keep it pushed until you see a blue light flashing, just like now, which means they're now coupled to each other. We go back to our phone, go to the Wearable App, start it. There's the buds showing up. Give it a few seconds to connect successfully to the app. And if everything goes well, they will connect and will come with a message that the buds need separate updating of the firmwares. There we go. Slowly connecting. You see, update your earbuds. Each of your earbuds has a different software. So we'll click update. Goes to the update screen. We click update. So now it's updating the buds separately. This will take a couple of minutes. We'll pause the video at this point and continue when the first update is done. So the update is close to being finished. It takes about 4 minutes. We have about 10 seconds left now. I'll just let it run and do its thing. Let's see, 4, 2, 0. So the update is finished. Keep the case open. We'll keep the case open. Ask to update again, but actually the other bud is already fully up to date. So we'll wait a second. Actually, so try to connect. Ask to connect. Click OK. Yes, this device. And we agree again. I agree. And if everything goes well, you see the left one and the right one and the charging case all there. So this is how you connect a replacement bud even with different firmware to your existing Bud 3 from Samsung Galaxy Buds 3.